On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Libby Caldwell and I'm here to tell you about watercolor journaling. Now I'm going to use my water brush. I'll use the larger one for this and I'll dip it in there just to get plenty of water on it. I'm going to go over these lines. You have to make sure that you touch all of the black lines. Otherwise, when you come to add color, you're going to pick up the black with the paint. Okay, just carry on with this. You're going to get more shadows and detail in later, but this is just going to give you, this is another step and give you a guideline for the painting. Okay. Now at this point I'm going to put in my sky. So I will use this pencil. And when you're doing larger areas, you dip your water brush into water if you have it with you. If not, you just have to squeeze harder on the barrel and make sure you have water coming down. You can just feel it on your hand. So I'm going to dip it in and touch it to the pencil, or you can put in some color by leaning the pencil on its side. Okay. And this will all dissolve. Okay. And then if I need to add more blue, I make sure I'm holding this. And you can add more blue just like that. You need to keep working on the sky once you get started, otherwise you're going to get watermarks. So you don't want to let it dry.